How to make Pinterest account private. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, please hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Our channel is really small and you subscribing will genuinely help and encourage us to post more. So now let's head to the video. First, open the Pinterest app. Once you open the Pinterest app, you have to click on your profile icon on the bottom right here. Once you click on that, on the top right you will find the three lines. You have to click on that and you have to click on settings. Once you click on settings, this page will open. Here you will find multiple options, but you have to click on profile visibility. Here there are two options. First, search privacy. I'll turn that on. It will basically hide me from any Google search engines or Facebook search engines or any search engines. And here, when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile. So you have to turn that on too, and you have to click on get started. And then it will ask you for confirmation and everything, but automatically your profile will be turned private. So if this video helped on how to make your Pinterest account private, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.